Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It has been forever since I uploaded a video, and that is because of Hurricane Sally. Thank you, Hurricane Sally, for, pushing me back. But today I told y'all that we are going to be doing a life update during Subscriber Saturday. So thank you to everybody who has submitted a question or a concern or anything like that. Before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notification, because I do Subscriber Saturdays every other week. And the weeks that I don't do it, we are stuffing our paycheck, and I do 52-week challenges. I really want to get back into meal planning, but it's just, I don't want to overwhelm myself with work and all that stuff. So, but anyways, let's just get right into it. I have my coffee that I French pressed this morning because I left the filter that goes on our Keurig at my brother's house, and Jared's not happy about it, but oh well. So anyways, I got a question about how are you doing? How has, after Hurricane Sally and all that stuff? So we're good. Pre-Hurricane Sally, we didn't think it was going to be that bad as a cat too, but she came in strong and very slow because she was just hovering for a couple of days. But I was actually at the hospital when she came through, and I was there for 25 hours and I slept for 3 hours. We didn't get much traumas or anything because I don't know why. I guess people learned how to stay home. But so we were there, we ate our snacks. We did have food provided, but we had to pay for it, in the cafeteria and stuff, which is fine. Spent all my money there. So that is where I don't know, $30 went. But it was good. I was with a couple of my friends that I work with and talk to on a daily basis. So it made the hospital experience very bearable. So when I was still there, we lost power on Wednesday at the house. Wednesday morning, early morning, right when she made landfall, which was around 5 or so, is when we lost power. And that's about it. We lost all of our food. We lost power for 5 days. I was jumping from my friend's house. I was washing clothes at my brother's house. We were eating food at his sister's house. So there's a lot of people that helped us through everything, and I'm very grateful for that. So right now it is Friday, and we kind of restocked our refrigerator, kind of didn't. We're just buying stuff that we actually need, not overstuffing. So that's that. And yeah, so that is Hurricane Sally, which is crazy because this is the first major hurricane that I've had to go through by myself as a young adult. The last time was 16 years ago with Ivan, and it was crazy. So, but we are all fine. Everything's fine. Jared's brother just got home, so that's why I was looking through the window. But anyways, so I'm fine. All right, so I did get another question about debt snowball. So I am going to do a video on my updated debt snowball, hopefully sometime in October, because I plan on making a bigger payment because of Hurricane Sally that I had to stay for 25 hours. They are expected to pay us the whole 25 hours and not take away 8 hours of sleep time or 5 hours or whatever they were discussing. So that was the plan right now. So my check should be a little bit bigger because of that. So thank you. So I'm planning on making a little bit bigger debt payment. And I have to tell you guys, I have to restart the emergency fund. Yep. Because I had to pay for some stuff for my car, and I didn't have the money, and it's kind of an emergency. And then because of Hurricane Sally, we had to get so much stuff and everything just to survive for the 5 days. So I had to use my hurricane money, my emergency fund. So y'all will get a in-depth talk about that whenever the updated snowball comes. But anyways, I'm gonna drink some of my coffee. So that, thank you for that question. It's a real struggle, but you know, I'm keeping the positivity alive. Let's see. Somebody says, how is your job and update on nursing school? So, you know, being a scrub tech, I absolutely love being a scrub tech. I love scrubbing in on procedures and stuff and helping the patients and all that and working with my doctors. I absolutely love. That's like my favorite part, is just working with my doctors. Update on nursing school. I put in an application maybe a couple of days ago. I submitted my application, resubmitted for the college because I did not go to school this semester just to save money and everything. And hopefully I will know something by November, I think, before Thanksgiving. Hopefully. Fingers crossed, you guys, that I get in, because this will be the 3rd time I have tried to get in. So, but I did put in more options of different schools because they have, I think, 5 or 6 different campuses. So I decided to rank the one that was closest to me, number 1, and then rank the one that was closest to my mom so I can stay at her house or my brother's house. I ranked that as number 2. So, I mean, if I don't get in, I would have no idea what I'm going to do. I might as well just stay a scrub tech or go travel as a scrub tech, because they make a killer in that. So, that is our plan for nursing school. Somebody says, what about your wedding budget? So I haven't done anything recently for the wedding budget. I am hiring one photographer just to do a photo shoot, and I will get into that in a little bit. But I did that, and I'm going to test her to see how good her photo quality is and everything. And let's see, that's about it. I think we bought Jared's wedding favors for his groomsmen's, because JCPenney was going out of business. I don't know if I mentioned that last time, but JCPenney was going out of business close to where we live, and they had some groomsmen's gifts that I wanted to get, that he actually picked out. I didn't pick out. I'm very proud of him that he picked something out for the wedding, but he picked it out. It was 50% off, and we spent about $200, I think, for 8 of them. I can't tell you because there's a lot of people that do watch our videos. So we bought 8 of them. It was like $200, a little like $197. But we are going to monogram them or decal them, and that's going to be for the date of the wedding. So that's out of the way. And other than that, nothing else. We really have been saving. If you watch my stuffing videos, you know that me and Jared and my mom, we try to put as much money as possible in our sinking funds. And we, as you know, me and Mama has made a business for ourselves making egg rolls, her lumpias, as if you would call it in the Filipino language. Lumpia is pretty much egg rolls, but her egg rolls are like this big. And we sell them 12 for $10. And we made a killing. We made like $200 and something, and you know, we put back money so we can restock on meat and everything and the stuff to make it. And then I paid her, like, you know, I gave her a lot of the money, and then we put most of it in the wedding fund, which is great for us. So that is pretty much what we are doing. We're just saving. We're making orders for egg rolls, and I think this week, so I'm filming this on Friday. My mom's birthday was yesterday, so she's actually coming down here right now to spend the weekend with me. So it's going to be really fun. I'm going to spoil her. Like, it's going to be exciting. And we are going to be making egg rolls, so we can announce that we are going to be doing some orders. So that is that, and that's pretty much all the questions for right now. I could do a part 2 because it's getting a little bit longer. But so, like I said, my mom's birthday was yesterday, and I booked a photographer for my mom. So we're going to do like a mommy and me photo shoot, which is going to be super cute. And I also booked a best friend photo shoot for one of my best friends. Her birthday is on September 29th. Absolutely love her. So we are going to be doing a best friend shoot. I'm getting balloons and champagne. I have this, like, let me grab it. I have this board that I'm going to put best friends established. I gotta figure out the date, but I know it's been a while that we've been friends for well over 10 years. So that is the plan for this weekend, and I'm just going to spoil her. We're going to have a surprise birthday party for her tonight on Friday. We're going to be grilling out. I'm going to get a cake and everything. It's going to be really fun, but she deserves it also. Anyways, so I am going to end the video right now. Let me know if you enjoyed this. It's very, very chill, calm video. So, and we have our coffee because it's about 7 o'clock in the morning and I look rough. So anyways, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if you would like any other subscriber Saturday videos. It is up to you. And then I will be putting a poll up on Monday, hopefully, for, not Monday. So for the next go around, so next week I will be putting another poll up so we can figure out what we're gonna do for subscriber Saturday in 2 weeks. But anyways, I will see you guys later, and yeah, bye.